Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone camera not working, iPhone camera black screen, iPhone camera blurry on iOS 17 or iOS 16. If your iPhone camera stop working after update or other reason, especially when you need it for calls, take photos, videos, for your work extra. Fortunately, there are several solutions. There are different reasons for your iPhone camera to not work. If your iPhone camera is still not working, then follow all the solutions step by step. Firstly, go to settings. In setting page, click on camera. Make sure to toggle on all camera apps. Solution 1. Click on settings app. In setting page, scroll down, find privacy and security and click on it. Click on camera. Toggle on all camera apps. Toggle on all camera apps. Solution 2. Open your settings app. In setting page, scroll down, find screen time and click on it. Click on screen time. Turn on screen time. Click on content and privacy restrictions. Toggle on content and privacy restrictions. Click on allowed apps. Make sure that camera is toggle on. If already toggle on, then toggle off and toggle on camera apps. If already toggle on, then toggle off and toggle on camera app. Solution 3. Open your settings app. In setting page, scroll down, find apps you want to toggle on camera. Then toggle on camera. If already toggle on, then toggle off and toggle on it. Why is my iPhone camera showing black screen? The easiest and most effective way to fix this error is to switch the between main or front camera or camera modes. Tap on switch button a few times. Tap on switch button a few times. Solution 4. Click on settings app. In setting page, scroll down to find general and click on it. Scroll down, find transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again, click on reset all setting to confirm this process. After reset all setting, force to restart your device. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, then press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. If you have iPhone 8 or later model, iPhone 10 series, iPhone 11 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 14 and iPhone 15 series, then press and release volume up button and press and release volume down button. Finally press and hold power button until you see the Apple logo. Click on camera app, then click on settings. Turn on location services. Toggle on location services. Then go back on camera app. Then go back on camera app. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.